This time I asked ChatGPT to build me a simple notepad using Python. So here I open my ChatGPT and just trying to request the Python code for a simple notepad app. Here we go. So it's now generating the entire code right here. And guess what? This is gonna be amazing. Let's give it a moment. Boom, it's done. It literally took less than 2 minutes. So I'm gonna copy this code and paste it right in my VS Code. So here we go. Let's give it a run. Wow, the result is pretty fine. You can type anything here. Let's try opening a file. Let's make some changes. And I'm gonna save it real quick. And finally exiting the application. Thanks for watching.